Hey friends, consumer attorney Rob Nahum here. Good Friday to you. So I wanted to do a quick video and sort of give a little bit of behind the scenes on what I've been up to here. These are strange days, and I've been thinking a lot lately about adaptation and how we all really need to be adapting to our environment and what we're doing, and it's through adaptation how we continue to be productive and to function and to stay safe and healthy at the same time. So I thought sharing a little bit of my adaptation, just to give a little clue on how I'm doing it, might give other people a way to think about adaptation and how to navigate these weird times. Today was a particularly sad day, I think, because today we learned that over 20 million of our brothers and sisters lost their jobs in the last month. I actually think that number's pretty understated, and it's probably a lot worse than that. So I continue to think every day here about people who are struggling under the corona economy and how difficult it is. And so when I think about that, I shift my thinking to adaptation, and I think about how we can try and make every moment productive. And if it can't be financially productive, it could be mentally or spiritually productive. There are things we can be doing to try and improve our way in this world as we navigate this weird time. So, okay, back to why I'm doing this video and what all this means. Let me show you where I'm conducting my work from, because I am indeed working. My law office is wide open and functioning, although I'm not doing it from my normal office, which is quite comfortable. My office is in Nyack, New York, my beloved Nyack, and I'm pretty well set up there in my office with all the equipment and technology and gear I need to run my law office. But because I can't be there, because I'm being socially responsible and I'm doing what I can to protect the health and well-being of my family and my friends and neighbors and my clients and my colleagues, I'm conducting my law practice from here. I am in a tent in my backyard. My kids are homeschooling right now, as so many of yours are. My wife is a wonderful school teacher, so she is teaching. And so there's a lot of noise and activity in my house, as I'm sure there is in many of yours. So I created a quiet space where I can spread myself out and get my work done. So I am here in a bit of a mash tent here in my backyard where I'm running my law practice. I've got my my video equipment set up so I can do my videos. I've got a photographer's camera here. I've got this faux backdrop that anyone who's been watching my videos may wonder what I'm standing in front of. Well, I'm standing in front of a backdrop. I have got my my computer set up, and I've got a camera there. The camera is a really important tool now, because not only am I recording videos with that camera, I'm also Skyping with the courts. It's important to me that I do everything I can to push my clients' cases along through the court system, and so the courts are opening up, and we're able to Skype with judges. Anybody who's ever talked to me knows also that the phone is a real valuable piece of equipment in my law practice. In fact, it's probably the most valuable. So right there's my phone. I'm here all day long taking calls, talking to prospective clients, talking to existing clients, talking to colleagues. I'm pushing my cases along as best I can. So I'm adapting, as I'm sure so many of you are. Have a great weekend. Love and light. Take care of each other, please.